Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And if you're looking for a privacy screen protector for your iPhone 15 Pro, I do recommend the one from WSKEN. And in this video, we're going to show you how you can install this awesome privacy screen protector on your iPhone 15 Pro. So this here is the box in which the WSKEN privacy screen protector for the iPhone 15 Pro comes in. Let us open the box and see what is inside. So this is what is inside the WSKEN privacy screen protector box. Let us lift it up from this side. So you have this semicircular thing on the top and we're lifting it up from the bottom. So inside here we have our privacy tempered glass screen protectors, two of them. Then you have the instruction manual, you have a thank you card, you have some panda stickers, you have a squeezy to remove those air bubbles in case you get any, and then you have the installation tools X2, which means there should be two set of installation tools in here. Let us see what you get inside this. So you have your dust absorber, you have your wet wipes, and that's about it. So two of the dust wipes, two of the dust absorbers, and you have this microfiber cloth to clean the display after you have cleaned it with the wet wipes. So let us get down to the installation process now. So this is our jig to install this WSKEN privacy screen protector on the iPhone 15 Pro. Now, as you noticed at the beginning of the video, we did lift this part up, and this semicircular part here is towards the top, or that is where the top of the iPhone 15 Pro is going to be. You also have this arrow over here, which does tell you that the top of the phone needs to be over here. Now you do see these two holes, and that is where you need to put in your privacy tempered glass screen protector. So we're going to put it in like this, give it a little press so that it is snug and secure in there. Now a pro tip over here is when you are putting in these pins, make sure they are almost flush. They should not be popping out too much from this hole. They should be sitting in flush. So let me show it to you. There it is. You can see that how this pin here is sitting flush, and let us have a look at this one also. So there it is. You can see this pin here is sitting flush. Now why are we doing this? Because towards the end of this video, when we have to slide this thing down, then if those pins are popping out too much, they are going to interfere with this part of the slider. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our iPhone 15 Pro, and then we're going to lift up this screen protector along with this pull tab, lift it up out of the way, and then we're going to put in our iPhone 15 Pro here in this slot. Give it a little push, make sure it is snug in there, and if you have a case installed, of course you will have to remove that case from your iPhone 15 Pro. The next thing we need to do is clean the display of the iPhone 15 Pro. Make sure you do not have any dust particles on the display before you install this WSKEN privacy screen protector. Feel free to use the included wet wipes, the dust absorber, and the microfiber cloth to make sure that the display is also dry once you have cleaned it out. Now once we have cleaned the display, made sure you do not have any dust particles, then we're going to put this flap thing down, give it a little press, make sure it is secure in place, and then all you have to do is pull this tab over here so that the film on the inner part of the privacy screen protector is removed. So let us go ahead and do that. Give this a little pull, bam, there it is, it came out. Now the next thing we need to do is you need to press and hold on the top over here. Hold it down a little where you have the circular part, and then this thing is going to slide down. So let us give that a try. Let us press and hold it a bit down, and bam, there it is. You can see how easily this part is now sliding down. Then we're going to slide it back up, and then next thing you lift here from the bottom, lift this thing up, and you have this little film which is now present over the tempered glass privacy screen protector. Remove this, and bam, we have successfully installed this WSKEN privacy screen protector onto our iPhone 15 Pro. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and pop the phone out of this jig. Now, in case you see any air bubbles, that is not a problem. All you have to do is use this squeegee to push those air bubbles towards the edge of the display, or you can also use your fingers and thumb. And there it is, peeps. That is how you install this WSKEN privacy screen protector onto your iPhone 15 Pro.